Hello, remote workers, adventure seekers, full-timers, and everyone in between. Welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheels channel, the Luxe 44FB full-time toy hauler. If you'd like to see this in person, you can visit our California showroom, which I will link the information below. At the front cap, we have the standard MORryde hitch pin. In the bay area is the optional generator with 4 AGM batteries. All Luxe fifth wheels and toy haulers come with twin 40-pound fuel tanks. The pass-through storage has room for an optional MORryde tray slide if you'd like. On each side are access doors for ease of service to electrical and plumbing should the need arise. Right next door is the Bluetooth radio and 110 outlet. Above are the marine grade speakers and the entry camera with scare light. The entry door is optionally keyless and has the upgraded step above stairs. The full body automotive grade paint is our standard scheme. The line you see as we go down is our floor line. On other coaches you might see exposed screws here. Ours are screwed and glued and then covered as you see. The garage entry also has a step above, which takes about 8 inches from the interior, so we'll make sure to point that out when we go inside. There are more speakers on the back end and a second awning. The ramp door is manual with spring lift assist. If you'd like to see the ease of bringing it down, the toy hauler patios and the ramp, check the upper right hand corner for the video on it. In ramp position, it is rated for 3,000 pounds, while in patio it is 1,500. On the driver's side rear, you will find the fuel fills and the 32-foot 50-amp power cord. Let's take a look inside. We are going to start with the living room. Normally you would see an L-shaped sofa here. Instead we have a love seat and recliner. In the entertainment center we have a 5,000 BTU fireplace, 4K HD smart TV, and storage. Booth seating in the dinette will get a little closer for a look at the drawers, deep and real wood, not only the cabinetry but on standard pieces like this as well throughout the whole coach. Fridges are always residential size in our units. And over to the sink, it is a single composite bowl. You can do 2 bowls, there are 9 colors of composites, and we do stainless. This is the 24-inch Insignia stove, and above is the convection microwave. This particular toy hauler comes with our Arctic package, which has twin 35,000 BTU furnaces, an extra 12-volt heating pad on the water tanks, and insulated PEX lines. Into the master bath, the decor has changed from beachfront to Brazilian, but they kept the same real tile backsplash as the kitchen. Above is the Fantastic fan with rain sense. The shower is a residential panel with teak seat. Standard is the one-piece fiberglass with a bench-like seat in place. Back to the beachfront theme. It offers a king bed, nightstands with USB 110 combos, individual reading lights, overhead storage, and under the bed storage. Into the wardrobe, while there is no lion or witch, there is a deep space to hang clothes, store shoes or purses. And right next door is the stackable washer and dryer. Followed by the TV, which, well, once I get a good grip on it, that can be stored and hidden, as you can see here. The egress window above the dresser that finishes off the bedroom. But I would like to say, if you would like to expand the space in the toy hauler bedrooms, you can opt for a vanity slide. I will link a pertinent video to that in the description so you can see the differences. And into the 13-foot, 8-inch flex-space garage we go. Right off the bat, I want to point out how far the step above stairs come in. We mentioned this outside, but now you can see how it affects the space on the inside of the garage. The Happy Jack system, the first level are folding couches, so they can either be sofas or sleeping space, and the mattress above is queen size. Above is cabinetry with plenty of space to store gear. We'll visit the loft on our way out, but this garage has been added a half bath. It does take away from the garage space, not the living space on the other side. Up here in the loft, we have a mattress that is a customized full. There is a fantastic fan above. All the way down there, covered, is a window. And here we can see some 110 plugs and cables, and many families have put a TV up here. That is the tour of this particular 44FB Luxe toy hauler. You can find further information on this toy hauler on our inventory page linked below, or you can click the Get Quote button at the end of this video and make your very own toy hauler with us. Until next time.